Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this Trond 7-in-1 multi-plug outlet extend. That's the device here, looking pretty good. It comes also at a very attractive price. Here's the box if you're interested into the specs, and here's the device looking good, solid. We have 4 of the normal standard outlets. Here we have the 3-prong, and here on the side we have a 2-prong and another 2-prong and another 2-prong, and that's especially helpful if you have some large plugs with some specific cables, like 90 degrees plugs, which you can have a lot of them in the kitchen or so, or other places. This can be very helpful, so it's much better to have them on the side than squeezed in here. I love this style here. It has already helped me a lot in different locations. And what we also see, that everywhere we have the large and the small pins here, also with the 2 prongs, which provide this child safety. Another special feature is this bump here on the top. So if this outlet extender is plugged into the wall, I'm going to show you that here. You can easily fit a smartphone on top of it. I mean, this is actually then to be the wall, and I've already tested this and it works even for large smartphones. So you use the USB outlet and then charge your smartphone right away. So you need just a very short cable. We see also this LED when it's plugged in. Another big advantage is that it's not covering the other outlets. You can see that's about the standard size, and we can still easily fit another outlet here underneath. That's really easy, and we have very capable USB ports here. Each one can provide up to 2.4 amps and in total 3.4 amps, and we are going to test that now. So we are picking just one randomly. We are starting with 1 amp, which is of course very simple, but we are increasing. Let's do 2 amps here and check on the voltage. We can see we have still 5.2 volts, which is a good value. Everything above 5 volts is more than enough, and we can increase even to 3 amps on one single outlet, which is much more than it's listed for. And you can see we are on 16 watts and we are at 5.3 volts, and we can even go up to 3.4 amps on one single outlet, 17.6 watts and still 5.2 volts. Absolutely amazing, very powerful. And if you're fearing that you could overload and then something could happen, we can increase, and you can see in a sudden it's decreasing. So it has some nice overpower or overcurrent protection, and we can go right back to the normal load, so nothing happened. Everything is nicely protected. So overall, really nice, good, beautiful, sturdy, powerful device. I can highly recommend it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.